Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make your Instagram account private on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to find your Instagram app on your iPhone and then tap on it to open it. So let me find my Instagram app. So here is my Instagram app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opening and it's opened. And after that guys you have to log into your Instagram account. If you haven't, you can see I'm already logged in. And then you have to go to this bottom menu and then tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on this. And after that guys you have to tap on this three lines over here at the top right. So let me tap on this. And you can see I have this menu. So you have to tap on this settings. And after that guys you have to tap on this privacy, and I have this privacy screen opened. And you can see guys here we have this connections section. So you have to come to this section, and under this you can see I have this account privacy. You can see currently I have this set to public. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this account privacy. Let me tap on this, and you can see guys I have this account privacy screen opened. And here we have this private account. You can see currently I have this toggle disabled, so you have to enable this toggle. So before enabling, let's read this message also. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. And also here we have this learn more link. If you want to check out more information about this feature, just tap on this learn more link. So in order to make your Instagram account private, you have to tap on this toggle next to this private account and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now enabled. And if I go back by tapping on this back button, you can see account privacy is set to private. And after that you can close your Instagram app if you want. So let me close that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.